Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So today I'm out here on this nice sunny day. It's supposed to get up to 75 degrees today, and I'm going to be setting up a two-person tent here tonight. Going to be camping out in it. I've got some food to cook over the campfire. Temperature's supposed to be around 40 degrees tonight, so it's going to be pretty warm. And I've got my bag here loaded with gear, so we're going to go ahead and get camp all set up. And yeah, stay tuned, guys. So here's the setup for tonight. I actually just got this tent recently, and I've never used it before, but so far I really like it because it's got a door on either side. So you can store gear back there in the vestibule, or you can store gear up here. And this actually comes out, and you can have like a little awning here. So if it was raining, I could just take this out and stake it down out here and have like a little awning to kind of cover everything, and I could still sit outside here. I may actually put that out later and show you guys what it looks like. And we're supposed to have a small chance of rain tonight, so I may do it anyway just to kind of see how it does. But we're gonna go ahead. I'll take you around the tent here and show you the other side. The other side's like any other tent really, but this side is what I really like because it's got the awning. So we're gonna go ahead, take you guys around the tent here, and then I'm gonna go ahead and set everything up in here and go from there. Okay, so here we've got where I was just sitting here, and I've got the tarp underneath as like a ground sheet. Kind of a place to set gear right in there on each side. Here's a look at the side. You got vent pockets right on the side here. And on this side, you got a little storage area as well. I've just got that rolled back right now. Another vent pocket over here. Well, there's the setup for tonight. Really liking this tent so far, guys. Hope you guys are enjoying too. So here's what it looks like inside of here, guys. I've just got my little inflatable air mattress here, sleeping bag, inflatable pillow. This tent has these little pockets, and I've just been putting my stuff sacks in that little pocket there. Got them on all four corners. And then you've got your little hook up here so you can hang a light, and it comes with a mesh thing that you can put over and store stuff up there as well. It's a pretty nice tent for the price point, and as long as it holds up in the rain, I think it's going to be a win for sure. Okay guys, so I just quickly wanted to go over what I brought in my bag today. So I've got a first aid kit, just a little one. Hopefully we don't need that. Got some gloves for the campfire. It's good for handling hot stuff like pots. Also got my pot here. A little frying pan. A coffee mug. I've got this dry bag full of food. Some fingerless gloves. A beanie. Cutting board. A little twig stove. Puffy jacket. A blue foam pad. Up here in this front compartment here, I've got some stuff for fires. I've got matches, lighter, fire starters, and fire steel. I've got some camp lights, a headlamp, charger, and a work light for filming. I've got a little axe, a saw for firewood. Canteen full of water. This is I think it's a 70-liter bag. But yeah guys, I just want to show you all what I brought with me today. Pretty soon we're going to go ahead and get us some firewood with the axe and the saw. Get it all processed, and we'll be ready for a campfire tonight guys. So stay tuned for that. And I'm going to get all this gear kind of put where it needs to go. And so I'll see you guys in a little bit. Alrighty guys, we're gonna go ahead and get the fire going. Starting to get a little bit dark out. Alrighty guys, we got the fire going. I'm gonna get cooking pretty soon because I'm starting to get hungry. And just kind of hang out here. Very quiet in the woods here. Got almost a full moon, I think, and clear skies. A little bit of wind blowing here and there. So here I've just got some peppers and onions, and right here in this pot I've got some rice and some ramen noodles. We're just going to put them all together once it's all cooked and just have like a big stir fry type thing. These peppers and onions smell really good right now. So here we have our peppers and onions. Here is our noodles and rice. Okay, let's give this a try. Cheers, guys. Show you guys what it looks like here. Very good. So it's just after 7:30 now, and I've got a little bit more firewood to go actually. Probably hang out here about an hour or two, and then we'll get in the tent and get ready for bed tonight. The breeze feels so good right now, and the moon it's a full moon tonight. Really liking this tent. Hopefully it holds up if it rains. I think it will, and I'm going to be taking it out a few more times to test it out, hopefully in the rain. There's a small chance tonight, but you guys should give this a try when you go camping. It's the Spanish rice, and then I just threw a thing of noodles in it, some ramen noodles. Boiled that up together actually, and then just fried up the peppers and onions, and as you saw here, I just mixed it all together. Alrighty guys, so we're in the tent and I'm about ready to hit the hay. That was some pretty good food. I did not finish all of that, but fire's died out now, and I'm tired, so go ahead, go to bed, and I'll see you all first thing in the morning. Good morning guys. Check out this sunrise. Alrighty guys, so I think I'm gonna close this one out here. I gotta get everything packed up so I can get on out of here. I'm gonna finish my coffee and then I'll be on my way. So I hope you guys enjoyed this one. It's been a pretty fun one. Had some good food last night. I got to test out this new tent, which I really like it so far. We didn't get any rain, so didn't really test it, but it was fun to get out in it, and definitely had fun in this one. So hope you guys enjoyed it, and I'll see you all in the next one. Bye guys.